Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a really simple DIY, I don't know if we really want to call it a DIY craft. It's kind of just arranging something. But everybody's been making such cute little fairy gardens, and I was meaning to and had the stuff, and I just never got to it. But today I'm going to show you how I made mine. And this is it. It's lighted. And it's got the 3 little fairies in it, and they're sitting in their garden around the bird bath. I have 2 options for displaying it. I'll show you at the end. So everybody stay tuned, and I'll show you how I put this together. This is what I used to make the fairy garden. I've got some of the foam dots from the Dollar Tree. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. I got some of a little floral stem. This is the wildflowers. And we're just going to pull some of those off. And I have some of the fairy garden figurines. We're not going to use all of them, but I got 2 packs. One of the LED push lights, the terrarium ball, and some reindeer moss. Or not reindeer, they don't call this reindeer moss. This is floral moss. And optional things to display our fairy garden. You can use this, which you can, a glass, parfait glass you can get from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this pretty little ornament hook that I got from Goodwill. So I'm going to show you the finished product with both of them. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we've got our push light. Make sure the batteries are in it, test it, make sure it's working. This one's working, but I have the hardest time getting it to go on and off. No, there we go. Okay. So I decided I'm going to use these 3 little fairies from the pack, and from the other pack of items, I'm going to use the little bird bath. So I'm going to take my foam dots that I got these at the Dollar Tree also. They have them at Michael's and Walmart, about everywhere, just from the scrapbook and stuff. But I'm just going to put a little dot on the bottom of each one. The taller fairy, I'm going to put the dot kind of close to the front because I'm going to put it on the edge of the push light. And these other 2 fairies are going either side. So I'm going to put it on one on the right and one on the left. Just right on the edge. Like that. And then do the other one on the opposite side. Okay? That's easy enough. And then I'm just going to peel the backing off, and I'm going to stick the bird bath right in the center of the push light. And then the fairy that's the tallest of the 3, I'm going to put her kind of behind or to the back of the bird bath. And I'm going to put her right on the edge, on the white part, so it doesn't interfere with the push mechanism, and just kind of push it down till it sticks. There you go. And then I'm going to do each of the other fairies on opposite sides and a little to the front. You know, not straight on the side, but a little to the front. Also putting it where it's not interfering with the push mechanism. So, now you get that done. The only tricky part of making this is getting this to actually go into the little terrarium. So I've got mine here, and you want to get it in there without knocking the fairies off. So you just kind of angle in, get that tall one in, get the side one in, and oh, I lost one. We can stick her back in and stick her down. You could hot glue these on there, but I didn't want to because I want to redo this like for different holidays. I thought for Christmas, a little Christmas tree in the middle, some fake snow, a Santa, or whatever kind of little figurines they happen to have at the Dollar Tree. Put it in there, and then you can do something for Halloween and Easter, or, you know, whatever holiday you want. Or you can put the little Disney figurines, Beauty and the Beast, or the action figures, and kind of personalize it for whoever you're doing it for. So Okay, but then I'm going to take my floral moss, and what I did with mine was I kind of cut it up with the scissors a little bit to make it where it was a little finer, so I could kind of stick it down in the crevices, because I want to cover up the white part of the push light. But leave it so that the light could show through the moss. So, and I did, as I said, I didn't want to glue it down because I probably want to change this out and put some of that fake snow in it. It would be pretty with glitter in it, as long as you didn't have little children that might knock it over and spill glitter all over your house. And to help me get it kind of situated in the back here, I just got a long handled spoon, or you can use a chopstick or tweezers or whatever you want to use. But I'm just kind of pushing that down on the sides and getting that light covered up. Boy, my washer's loud today. I don't know what's up with that thing. Just get it in there like you want it and kind of look around. Oh, I got a big spot over here where I can see it. So, put my little spoon and push it down. So, got one little spot in the back here I need to work on. Just kind of pat it down. If you got a piece sticking up, or I wanted it to kind of look like the fairies are sitting in a little forest glen, enjoying nature and being little fairies. Okay, a few more pieces. I mean, you can put as much or as little or none. I mean, it's you know, this is so easy to personalize. And then I just thought I would take some of these little flowers and just drop them in here like they were petals that fell off a tree, or flowers that were growing wild. And just drop those in there. And again, you can put as many as you want or as few as you want. You can sprinkle some glitter in here too. That would be cute. Which I'm gonna have to go look and see if I have some glitter. There's a few flowers in there like that. So then, basically you're done. You can add more if you want, or you can add less. I thought it would be cute if I just took some little sprigs of these flowers off that stem I just had and just put them right here on the top. Kind of like that, just hanging down. And then I bought this plant hook or ornament hook from Goodwill. Sometimes I've seen several in there. I've got two of them. One's tall, one's smaller than this. But this is, I think it's made to hold, you know, specialty Christmas ornaments. But this little thing fits on here just right. So, and then all you gotta do is stick your little fingers in, give it a push, make sure your flowers don't fall out, and there you have a lighted fairy garden, which I love it. I think it's so cute and it's so simple, and I'm gonna display this, I think, for the rest of the summer, and then when it gets fall, maybe I'll change it, put some fall leaves in there, and maybe keep the little fairies too, but just have a kind of a fall feel to it. It would be cute with a bow on the top. I mean, there's hundreds of ways you can embellish this. And if you don't happen to have one of these ornament stands, you could also get these cute parfait glasses, or really any of the glasses from the Dollar Tree that have a wide enough mouth that this could sit on, and it gives it, you know, a little more height. You can set it that way. You can flip it over and do it that way. Yeah, I think Yeah, it'll balance on there. Yeah. You can do it that way, or you can even just sit it down. I mean, it doesn't have to have a stand, and it's just adorable. But anyway, I like it on my hook. So that's it, and I don't think it can get any simpler than that. It's so cute and it's really easy, and if Sissy can do it, you can do it. So everybody have a great day. Enjoy your holidays. Stay cool. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. Tell me some ways you made a fairy garden. Show me some pictures. Everybody's been so amazing with them, and I hate that it took me so long to finally make one, but I'm glad I did. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Thought you might like to see how I displayed my fairy garden. I've got it in my living room on a little side table where I keep my fresh flowers. But I think it turned out really good. I hope y'all liked it. Bye.